What is up guys, Zanif Tech is here, and today I'll be reviewing the hidden router. This is a VPN router that plugs into your existing internet setup, and it gives you VPN access to securely use the internet. As you can see, the form factor of this router is fairly small and nothing compared to the usual routers that we're used to seeing. The front of the router has a reboot button. In case you have any problems with your internet connection, you can reboot this device without unplugging the power supply from the back. Very neat feature. Inside the box, you do get a power adapter, the actual router, and a Cat6 Ethernet cable. It is fairly short, but it's meant to be used from the hidden router to your existing router, so you really don't need a longer cable. The back I/O of this hidden router has a couple of ports, a USB 3.0 port, and 3 Ethernet ports, and a power supply port. The 2 left ports towards the USB jack are 2 LAN ports, which allow you to connect other Ethernet devices like a console, PC, or any Ethernet capable device. The right port is the WAN port, which pulls the internet connection from your existing router to this hidden router. If you're wondering how easy it is to use this router, literally, the process is very simple, and I'm really glad they made it this way. You take the existing cable that it's included in the box, and you plug it into the rightmost Ethernet port next to the power supply port. Then you take the other end of the cable and plug it into the LAN port, which is usually marked in yellow, just like on this Asus router, but it may differ in color on different routers or modems. Usually it is yellow. You plug it into one of the available ports, and there you go. Now the router will have an Ethernet connection directly from the hidden router to your existing router. Now all you have to do is just take the power supply cable and plug it right in and give it a few minutes, about 5 minutes, and it should be booted up with no problems. And you will see a LED notification light right on the top. Here I'll be showing you the hidden router website, which is hiddenrouter.com, which has different FAQs if you have any questions that I didn't answer, or if you would like to see more features about this hidden router. They also have a pricing section, which displays the different plans that they do offer for this router, which are showing down below. They have 3 different plans, the first plan being $199 for the router, plus $10 a month for the subscription for the VPN. The second one offers the hidden router for $199 and the first month free, but no future subscription. And the third option is the router plus 6 months of subscription for $260, which is actually the best deal. As you can see here, when you check out and purchase this router, they give you an option to select the preferred Wi-Fi SSID and the preferred Wi-Fi password. This is an amazing feature, so later you don't have to mess with the admin settings, especially if you're not tech savvy and just want a VPN quick router. Amazing option from this company. I'm really glad they're trying to make it as simple as they can, plug and play. Oh look, a discount code. Speaking of discount code, you can use my code ZanifTech to allow you to get $10 off your purchase of any of the 3 plans for the hidden router, which is a great benefit, especially if you're looking to get this a little bit cheaper. As you can also see, the router is quad-core processing based, and it has 256 megabytes of RAM and 2 bands, a 2.4 GHz and a 5 GHz up to 800 Mbps. Your biggest question might be, how are the speeds on this router? Well, on the left side, I have the AT&T fiber router that provides me about 1 gig up and down through an Ethernet connection provided by my ISP. While on the right, I have the hidden router connected to the AT&T fiber router. As you can see, in a second I'll be switching Wi-Fi networks to show you the differences between both speeds for download and upload on the AT&T router and then also on the hidden router. You will notice that the speeds aren't that much different because it really doesn't slow down your connection. Sometimes I've actually noticed a boost in my connection due to my ISP blocking certain stuff on their own router, while the hidden router does not have any blocks, so it accesses a couple of things a bit faster, which is a great benefit. It might not work on some websites like Netflix or any other one that blocks VPNs, so keep in mind that you must have both routers for safety reasons. So you want to keep a Wi-Fi network available from your existing ISP router and then also from the hidden router. Or if you're not that concerned about blockage, then you can definitely just run the hidden router just by itself, connected to your modem. Whichever one you would like, it's plug and play. You will also notice that the VPNs cover your IP, which on the left side shows that I have AT&T internet, while on the right it tells me it's from a different place. That is because the VPN is tunneling your traffic through the internet, which is the main benefit of this router. I really like the router and I recommend it 100% instead of getting software-based VPN, which is annoying to maintain on various different devices. If you like my review of the hidden router, definitely give me a thumbs up so I know how I did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, and stay tuned for more awesome giveaways and videos on my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Zanif Tech is out.